In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an invoice style in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing your finances as a freelancer, having invoices that match your brand can make a big difference in how professional and polished your business looks to clients. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to create invoices that are not only functional but also visually aligned with your brand. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's get started. To begin, click on the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and select New from the menu. This will give you a variety of options, so go ahead and choose Invoice to open a fresh invoice template. Once the invoice appears, we're ready to dive into customization. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Manage option. This will open up a panel on the right, giving you access to all the customization tools you need from here. Open the drop-down menu labeled Customization. This is where you can start tailoring your invoice fields to suit your business needs. Now, take a moment to add or remove fields as needed. For example, you can include a purchase order number, a shipping address, or even payment terms if they're relevant to your business. If there are any fields on the invoice you don't use, like service dates or discounts, you can hide those to keep your layout clean and uncluttered. Once you've adjusted the fields, it's time to focus on the design. Open the Design drop-down from the same panel here. You can refine the style, font, and color of your invoice. Choose a design that aligns with your brand's tone and ensures readability. For instance, you'll want to pick a layout that's professional and easy for your clients to follow. Select a font that's simple and clear and use a color scheme that complements your logo or overall branding. As you make these changes, be sure to review the live preview of your invoice. This preview updates in real time so you can see exactly how your invoice will look to clients. It's a great way to catch any errors or tweaks you may want to make before finalizing the design. With your invoice template ready, it's time to fill it out. Add the customer details, the date, and a description of the items or services you're billing for. Be sure to include quantities, rates, applicable taxes, and any additional notes your client might need. Take your time here to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once you've entered all the necessary information, save your invoice. From there, you can send it directly to your client right from QuickBooks Online. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to review the PDF preview. This final check lets you confirm the spacing, colors, and overall layout are just right before your client receives it. And that's it. You've successfully customized and created a professional invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.